Her eyes look all green with the flash on. I think her eyes green for real. When you put the light in them, they really green from back here. I got that stick on me in the shower. Yeah, little nigga. Yeah, I bathe different. Her ass do not want to go back. She enjoying the fuck out of this shit. She got slob and shit on her mouth. Fuck, nigga. Blueberry, get out my way. I almost forgot about my motherfucking noodles and shit. How the fuck this water ain't boiling, bro? I'm on this dumbass shit, bro. I done had the fucking stove on whole time, nigga, for this one. I'm dumb as hell, man. Did you see this shit?
Dog shit, these niggas yapping and they raps. They ain't turned up and roll like my son know his dad a fucking king. Yeah, just like Bryce. And I've been chasing all this money. Y'all can't even sleep. That's 500 pound socks.